Hey guys, welcome back to another Christmas ornament tutorial. This one should be a lot less frustrating than our last one, which was the star knot. We had some problems with that. Today we're making a paracord Christmas tree to hang on our Christmas tree. So for this project, you're going to need about 2 to 3 feet of coreless paracord, about the same amount of 95 cord. We've got some left over from our lights project. A few rondelle beads. I just learned rondelle means disc in French. I had no idea why they were called that before. A snowflake that's going to serve as our star, and a little bit wider of a bead for the stump. Let's dive right in. We'll be starting at the top of the tree, so we'll start by making a loop to hang it with. So just fold over a couple inches of your cord and tie it in an overhand knot. About like that. And then later we'll cut off that short strand. So you can just set that aside for now, and we'll put our star or snowflake on next. You want to thread your fid onto the other side because we'll be stabbing that through the coreless paracord. Add on that star. And then we'll add our first layer of coreless. Right near the end, maybe just half an inch from the end, you want to stab it in. And just keep that on your fid. The first time, we're just going to fold it over again, back on itself, and stab it through one more time. And that gives us a good start. Then between each fold, we'll be adding one of our rondelle beads. So you want to leave a little bit bigger of a fold and put it through again. Add another bead, and a little bit bigger fold as we fan out to make our tree. At the very end, you just want to do one extra fold without a bead, like we did at the top. Slide that all the way onto the string, all the way up to the snowflake. Before we pull that tight, let's just get that other cord out of there. So we'll clip that short end and just melt a little bit so that doesn't pull through the knot. Cinch that down, then we'll add our last wider bead to the trunk. And then you can finish this off with whatever knot you want. If your bead is big enough, you'll need probably something like the single strand diamond knot, otherwise you can use an Ashley stopper. We'll go ahead and clip this underneath the tree so that it just rests right up against that other loop. And just melt it a little bit so that it doesn't fray. So we'll tie that knot and then cinch it down to keep our tree together. That's all there is to this one. Pretty simple project. If you don't know how to make that diamond knot, we'll put a link to that video on the end screen and in the description. So we'll go ahead and add this one to the tree. Running out of room on this guy. I think we got a spot right here. Because these beads are metal, it needs a little bit heavier of a branch to go on. There we go. We've only got a couple more of these left before Christmas, so be sure to tune into those and hit the notification bell if you haven't done that already. As always, we'll put a link in the description to where you can find the materials for this project, so the paracord and the beads. And also, if you haven't checked out the rest of these tutorials in this series, be sure to do that. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.